What if instead of one AI model, you have a team of multiple agents, a planner, developer, and code reviewer working together like a real software team? Today, I'll show you how to build multi-agent workflow where agent hands off tasks to each other just like a real company. And the best part, each agent uses different model and tools. Most AI demos use single agent, but real-world software development is collaborative. In real project, we have architect design, developer who write code, the reviewer who validate. So why not simulate that with AI? This is exactly what we're gonna build in AI Crew that built CLI calculator. Let me walk you through the code. And first, we need to install these dependencies: the CrewAI tool, and LightLM. And these are the important libraries we need. So this is a Python project. In the CrewAI, you need to import agent, task, and crew process. And tools, we need a FileWriter. And in the main function, we have planner agent. We are creating 3 agents that are going to collaborate with each other. So first, we have the planner agent, which break the problem into the development step. And I'm using GPT-4 Turbo for this. And I also created the tool from this. And we're going to pass it to the development agent, which write the code for us. So the role of the planner and the developer. And I'm going to use GPT-4o, strong model for the coding. And the third is our reviewer agent, which review the code and provide the improvements. And I'm going to use 3.5 Turbo for the same. In similar to the 3 agent, we're going to create the tasks for each agent. For the planning task, I'm giving the instruction like create the step-by-step plan. And I'm going to assign this task to the agent. And the development task I'm assigned to the developer agent. I'm giving all the instructions what to do and what output should be. So I'm actually giving the instruction like Python code to calculator.py. So this is it will create dynamically write the code into this file. And the reviewer task obviously review the code. So this is where everything is glued together. So we provide the agents and tasks that we have created earlier and the process. This is important. This is where the actual hands-off happen. So this sequential mean the planner will do its job and transfer everything to the developer agent, and the reviewer receive everything from the planner and developer agent and do the task. So this is how the sequential mean. There are other model process as well, which we'll cover in the future videos. Okay. So now let's. This is the kickoff where everything starts. So once you click this crew.kickoff, it will actually do the work. So now let's try to run this code. So you can see the execution started here, the name crew, and the task first step started. Ending. Alright, our task is completed. So let me show you the output. So you can see here, it's first start with the all the task planning, and this is where the real things happen. Final answer. So okay, so first task was developer. It's write code on fly. So whatever the instruction we are given, it's written the code based on that. And then it's second task is for the reviewer, and the reviewer review the code, and it suggested these improvements. And here is the final output after that. Okay, I forgot to mention about the planner. Here's the planning step. I want to show you that. Okay, so this is the task result for the planner. So these are step by step for the calculator. Define the requirement, choose the programming language, set up the project structure, implement the handling, input handling, calculation logic. So all these are planning created by this planner agent, and based on that the developer coordinated. All right. So now let's see what exactly this agent has created for us. So if you look at this code, you can see it's created the calculator for us, CLI calculator. Alright, now let's try to run this calculator. I'm gonna give him the 2 numbers, 15 and 30, and the operation they have. Alright, so this gives the result. And we can add the other subtract as well. So these are the choices we have to perform. So yeah, that's it for the demo, or the actual calculator built by the AI agent for us. Although I have created a very simple calculator example, but there are real world use cases. Like we can create like code generation pipeline, data engineering workflow, autonomous research assistants, and many more. Imagine you are replacing your Jira workflow with intelligent AI teams. There are many use cases that you can use agent hands-off and multiple agent workflow. This example can be enhanced. You can use parallel processing instead of sequence, add memory, vector DB, human in the loop, error handling, and add logging to your agents. So there are much more you can do with this. This is a very beginning or a simple level of example to start with your first agent, multiple agent workflow. If you're a developer exploring AI architecture, this is the future. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more real AI engineering content.